Real estate agents, stop here if you want the best marketing software available to you. Now that I have your attention, my name is Waylon Chavez. I'm the creator of the 6 Hours to Six Figures for Real Estate Agents training program, where I take you and teach you the steps and systems on how to earn a six-figure income while working 6 hours a day in real estate. And doing so, what I'm starting is a new series here where I'm going to help you implement the best marketing software there is out there for real estate agents. It's an untapped gem that you are going to absolutely fall in love with. So today, what I want to do is give you an overview of the system, show you what it can do. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a tutorial on each specific section of it and how you can implement it into your real estate business. The other thing that makes this great is it's an all-in-one solution. So many times us real estate agents are paying for multiple things to get our businesses off the ground, such as a website, such as the email correspondence and responder, such as our CRM, such as our blog, such as our video hosting, whatever that may be. I'm going to show you an all-in-one system that has it in one. You could cancel all those subscriptions. You can invest in this one tool and run your business more efficiently and as a better marketer than you could ever do with anything else. And you'll be able to use it because it's an all-in-one system. You won't have to be logging into different platforms such as Mailchimp or WordPress or whatever your Weebly, GoDaddy, whatever that may be. You will have it in an all-in-one platform, ease of use, super. If I can do it, anybody can do it. You could build your website on there. You could do it custom to you. You can have your custom email, you have your CRM. The other thing about it too is you have amazing landing pages, unlimited amount of landing pages where you can have call to actions. You can give away freebies to gain email addresses and build your list. Again, you have your blog and you have unlimited video hosting. So what am I talking about? What's the secret gem and the hidden secret of the best marketing software for real estate agents? It's called Kajabi. And if you stick with me, I'm going to share with you and I'm going to show you and give you an overview right here, right now on this session. And like I said, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an overview of it. And then with the days following, I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on each part of the process and how you can implement it and how it's going to help you build and scale your real estate business. So if you can, please subscribe to the channel or the podcast. That way you don't miss out on the section and you can start implementing this. And another thing I have for you is a free gift. For those of you that are watching or listening, down below, I'm going to put a link where you're going to get a 30-day free trial with my specific link. And you're going to have 30 days to try it out. You can implement everything on it. You can start making money with it. And then after 30 days, you're going to be offered to purchase it. So you will get a 30-day free trial with my specific link. Just click below right in the description when you're watching the video. So without further ado, I want to show you exactly what this software can do. If you're listening to this on the podcast, I would highly recommend you go to my search for me on YouTube, search Waylon Chavez, and I will, that way you are able to see the tutorial here and what we can do. And what I want to do is show you, this is my website right here, and I built this. So if I can do this all by myself, anybody can do it. And a lot of people are going to ask, well, is it SEO friendly? Yes, it is. You're going to have to insert some titles and stuff like that. And when I go through the website tutorial, I will share all of that with you. But the thing about it too is a lot of realtors are going to say, well, does it have IDX? And I'll tell you right off the bat right now, no, it doesn't. But that's okay, because guess what? Nobody's going to your website to use IDX anyway. They're going to Zillow, they're going to realtor.com, and they're just searching online. So that being said, your website is your personal business card and how you can serve your customers and clients. So many people in the marketing industry and real estate industry think their website is about themselves. It's actually about the consumer and what you can do to help and serve them. And as you can see here, this is my website. And so what you can do is, what I teach people right off the bat is earn a six-figure income while working 6 hours a day and having a life. And you can go over the little paragraph there, but it has a little link to sign me up. And what that call is it's a lead magnet. And you can implement this on your site as a real estate agent. Why would you want to do that? Because somebody's going to trade their name and email for something of value that you're going to give them. And in my case, if you hit this button, it's going to take you to a live training that I've recorded. And what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for this live training, and it's called 10 profitable lead generation strategies for real estate agents that won't break the bank. So, and then what they're going to do is they would go to reserve my spot. They would just hit their name and email, and then they would have access to that training. And as you can see, you want to have that up. You know, first thing that pops up, you want to give a freebie away to your customers, clients, potential clients, or anybody that comes to your website. And you can see it also has a blog, and we can go there and it'll take you to the blog, but you can also click back here, it'll take you home. So let me take you on the backside of Kajabi and show you exactly what it can do. So if here on the left side, you have a website, products, sales, marketing, people, and analytics. So what I'm going to do is today I'm going to give you a rough overview on the whole system and show you how it can help you and replace Mailchimp, ConvertKit, your CRM, your autoresponder, whatever in it. This can replace it. It's going to save you a lot more money than what you're paying now to have separate accounts everywhere. That way you can implement it to your business and have an all-in-one marketing system. Because in real estate, what are we here to do? We're here to market on a consistent basis. If you're not lead generating on a daily basis, you do not have a business. So this is going to help you put that on autopilot. So let's start with the website. So you can see here, and there's different tabs here. You can go to design, and it has different designs. You can go down here and take a look. If you pick here, you can rename, and you can go to different designs, and it'll show you, or different pages, and it'll show you what your design looks like. But you can also go to the theme store right here, and it's all plug and play. Everything's all ready to go. It's drag and drop, and you can do it. So you can pick any of these that suit you, and make that your theme, and it will apply it to your website. But then now you can design and create each page as you please. So if we come up here, if you can see, and if you want to go, if you want to go here, you can hit landing pages. You have unlimited landing pages. You can build a new landing page. All it's going to do, it's going to come up here. You're going to preview it, or you have any one of these to choose from. And all you do is you have to click it. Let's see, just this one. So you would click it. You could take a look at it. You could pop a video in here. You could change any of this. And like I said, when you pop a video in here, Kajabi has unlimited video hosting. So you don't have to worry about paying for video hosting, about linking it from YouTube. You can upload it right to the Kajabi platform, and it has unlimited video hosting for you. You can create all this. This is all editable. So if I go here, but it's going to ask me for a title, and I would just name it, and you can do anything you want here in this landing page. And like I said, you have unlimited landing page options with Kajabi. So that's pretty amazing. And if we come back here, so if you want to go in and do let's see, where's my home page? Oh, if we go back to a website, and if I want to update my home page, all I would have to do is come here, and it goes section by section. It's super user friendly. It's amazing. Even their support is amazing. So if you do get stuck, they do have support. But all you have to do is click on this, is edit. You can see it pops up on the left-hand menu here. If I wanted to change anything, I would change anything here, hit save, and then you can preview whatever it is that you changed right here. So that being said, let's go back. And now that we're not going to change nothing on that page, let's go back home. But you can literally do any pages you want to do here. You can, and right here, if you go to your blog, all you have to do is hit new blog post. It will pop up. You can do a video, audio post, whatever you want to do, and then you just go select video. You would upload a new file. It takes you to choose file, and you can upload it right from your computer. And like I said, unlimited video hosting. Or if you want to come down here, then you can do the post, whatever that may be. You could select your image, create that in Canva, and we can do another, I can do another video on that. But then For those of you worried about SEO, you can do right here. Here's your custom URL. Here's your page title and page description. That way it works for your SEO and Google when you do have, when you do post your blog post. Navigation, you can literally, the main menu, you can change these and add them in whenever you want, however you want, whatever order you have them in, and go from there. So it's pretty amazing. And now if you go to the products tab, you can actually create products here. And you can see I have two, and this is for my coaching clients. I have the 6-figure open house blueprint where I help agents earn a 6-figure income by simply hosting 2 open houses per month. There's a 6-figure, I have a system for that. And then I also have the Freedom membership forum where I do my coaching, and I go in and do a Facebook, not a Facebook Live, but a live coaching once a month. But you can create new products here. And for you, for agents, what this could be is a product could be, you know, a membership for your clients and customers to keep them all in one place. It could be, you could be selling a course for other agents. You could be, you know, doing monthly webinars for your customers and clients, whatever that may be. The other good thing about this is I told you it's an all-in-one system. It has the ability to host your own podcast. I still have my podcast hosted somewhere else, but you can host your own podcast through Kajabi. So it's super easy, super streamlined, and amazing. And if we go to sales, you have here, and you can create an offer, whatever you want to do. But you know, we can implement this at a later time for the real estate agents. If you want to start selling something, maybe you have a listing presentation or whatever it may be that you want to make money on, you can do that right through Kajabi. And then if we come down here to marketing, you can see you can have an email campaign. And this is amazing because what you can do here is you can send out just one single email broadcast, or you can create an email sequence, which is a series of emails that can be triggered by an automation. And what that means is, say you're giving away a freebie, a home report in the area, or 5 ways to become a first-time home buyer, or 6 ways to profitably sell your home, whatever that may be. Then you can set an email sequence. Once somebody puts in their name, puts in their email address, hits submit, they get the offer. But then you could put them on an email drip campaign for 3, 5, 7, 10, or 30 days, however long you want. So you can nurture them as a new customer and client so they're hearing from you. And remember, you want to leave all of these with a call to action. I don't know about you, but when I first came across this software, it really blew my mind. I've been in real estate 16 years now, and I use it for my coaching, but I've been looking around and seeing what agents are using, and this is the best marketing software for real estate agents out there, and it's the unhidden, untapped gem. So that's why I am sharing it with you all. So then you can go to pipelines, and what pipelines is basically a funnel. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of a funnel. So you can literally build your own pipeline in here, which is the funnel. It's all pre-built. If you come here, you can see this is mine. This is my lead generation workshop, and what it is, it's fully customizable. And all you have to, so there's a registration page. There's lead generation, so there's 3 reminder emails, 1 follow-up email. They get a confirmation, they get the live webinar room, and then they get a sales page and an offer checkout from that. And then after that, they get a new email once they're a member. So if I come back here, and all you have to do is go to new pipeline, and you can literally create a pipeline. And all you would do as a real estate agent to build your list is create a freebie. All you do here is create an opt-in. You give them 1 email with the item that you promised them, and then you receive a thank you page. But then you can go back, like I said, to the emails campaign here and create a new email template, email campaign. And you could create an email sequence, and you can put them on a 5, 7, 30-day sequence where they get emails automatically. Whenever somebody signs up for that freebie, they automatically get an email and they hear from you on a consistent basis. You can create events in here. And you can see I have so maybe you have a webinar, you want to do a live training for home buyers or home sellers, first-time home buyers, whatever it may be. You can pre-record it once, add it in Kajabi, and put it on repeat every 15 minutes. And every time somebody signs up for that, they need to put their name and email address. So your list is consistently building if you're continually promoting this and advertising it through your social sites, through your email newsletter, whatever that may be. Another thing I love about Kajabi for real estate agents is forms. You have unlimited amount of forms that you can build. You could build assessments and whatever it may be. So let me go back here. And I'm sorry, this is a form. So this could be a freebie form, lead generation for real estate agents. And then also, if you come down to people, this is where you're going to, this is your CRM. And then we're going to come here. So I have 332 contacts. There's 34 in the last 30 days. And people 284 are subscribed. So this is how you build your list over time as a realtor. But the thing I like too is you can create a new assessment for your customers and clients. And what it is, you create a title. I'll put test, a description, home buyer, and then just hit save. And then you can come down here, language, English, whatever you want to do, but then you can go here, hit edit questions. And you can just literally add questions as you please, add a question, multiple choice, paragraph, whatever you need, and pop it in there, and they can give you feedback. So if you're looking on, maybe you're looking to do an event, or you have something that you want to do as far as a marketing platform, all you have to do is go in here, create an assessment, and let them fill it out. This replaces Google Sheets. And all you have to do is super easy, like I said, is go in, hit delete, and it's done. So, and like I said, this is all your people. This would be your CRM right here. And that would be, replace your CRM. But everything in here you have to run a successful 6-figure and beyond real estate business in all what platform. So again, I wanted just to give you an overview of that today, of the whole Kajabi system and how you can implement it into your business and replace 5 to 6 to 7 different platforms and pay and invoices that you're paying to keep your business running. And I can almost guarantee you that you're not using them to their fullest ability because you have to log into so many different platforms to do an email, to upload your website, to upload a video, to do a blog post, etc. Here in Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform. And what I want to offer you today is a free gift. If you click the link down below and right in the description, I'm going to give you 30 days for free on Kajabi to use it, to test it out, to implement it, and go from there. And once you do that, I'm going to start doing tutorials on every piece of the platform. That way you can implement it into your business and get it running on a smooth, consistent basis. That way, by the end of this 30 days that you're doing, you can actually have a journey that you can go on, that you can put your customers on, and implement the marketing that needs to be done on a consistent basis, such as a newsletter. And that's one thing I wanted to show you too. Let me go back to sharing that with you. You can also build a newsletter. So if you go here, if you hit new email campaign, you select email broadcast, and it comes up with templates. So for realtors, this is the hard part, is creating an actual real estate newsletter. So I would suggest you do a weekly or bi-weekly newsletter, and it's as simple as going through here, and right here you could put a newsletter. You can see newsletter title, you can put a picture or a video right here, and any content, pictures of the community, whatever you choose to do is simply plug and play. And you have all these templates to choose from, and you can just edit them to exactly your fitting and what you want. So this is truly an all-in-one, the best marketing software for real estate agents to actually implement, to actually put on a consistent basis, but yet put on autopilot. So again, my name is Waylon Chavez. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click the link below to receive your free 30 days of Kajabi. And again, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing tutorials on each part of the system to help you get up and going and implement it into your real estate business. Thank you so much for joining, and I look forward to helping you with Kajabi or any part of your real estate business.